In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Numero eSIM app. So if you are experiencing any issue with your eSIM connection, or maybe if this app can't open, it's not working, or it keeps on crashing, or maybe it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to go to your app info page, and you can simply do that by just long pressing on your app, and you should see app info. If you tap on it, it should take you to app info page. However, if you don't have that option on your smartphone, then go to settings, then from settings go to apps and manage apps, or if you don't see a list of all your apps here, go to apps or all apps. And once you get to all your apps here, just search for your app by name and then tap on it, and this will take you to app info. From here, first stop the app, and okay, then go to clear data, choose clear cache, okay, and again clear all data, and okay. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone, and now your app should be up and working without any issue. But should this not work, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and check if there is any update, and update your app to the latest version. However, if your app still crashes or stops each and every time you try to open it, for that you need to uninstall the app and then install it afresh to clear any bugs that might be associated with your Numero eSIM app. So that's how you can fix any issues with your Numero eSIM app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.